I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
And action. Welcome back to another episode of the LSCR 254 channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. I'll wait. All right, should have done it by now. All right, so let me show you what we got. When you see the light on the head, you know we mean business. We ain't playing. Let me show you what we got here. So we got the wheel off again. You got the engine rotated over. Got all our flywheel bolts out. We currently have everything off except for there's something on this harness that's still connected back there. I'm gonna figure out what that is. And then got not all, but most of the transmission bolts are just about out of there for that. And I mean, honestly, brother, like, it's about ready to come out. The engine should be here in a couple days. I got a photo shoot I gotta do tomorrow, so I really gotta get as much done tonight, so that when the engine gets here in a couple days, I am prepared and ready. So I'm gonna try to make it as seamless and flawless as possible. I bought this tool off of Amazon that was supposed to make it easier. So that's like your crank hole tool. And then there's the socket that goes on there, 19 millimeter, but to no avail. It did not come off. Like, it was very reluctant. So I'm not doing anything with that one. However, yeah. The new one, it definitely got to come off, because that's the first thing we doing is we gonna replace that timing belt. We're gonna replace that timing belt. We don't do nothing Nathaniel else, okay? Nathaniel.
Camera recording.
I think, like I said, the car has 200 and something on the dash. All right, so like I was saying, the new motor is going to have to get that, you know what I mean? So, ordered it from Summit Racing, the ASIN timing kit, part number TKH-002. Now this kit includes water pump, timing belt, tensioner, like the whole nine. Same thing on your belt. Got a sticker, so you can say the date replaced, mileage replaced. You can put that on the car under the hood, something. So I remember, if I sell the car, which I'm not selling another Honda. I swear I'm not selling another Honda. So you got your bearings, you got your hydraulic tensioner. Now this is the piece that I believe probably disintegrated on the inside, but I can't get to it to show you. Right, so no water pump. So yeah, water pump, timing belt, hydraulic tensioner, whole nine, bro. Like that's everything you need. Everything you need to be copacetic right there. So it shows you how you need to line your marks up, and all that good stuff. So I guess this kit fits not only the Honda and Acura 3.0, 3.5, 3.7, it also fits the Saturn Vue. Interesting to know. But yeah, tells you where the timing marks are, where they need to be, and the whole shebang. So that's good stuff. Good stuff. So, like I said, that's part of the warranty for the new motor as well. So we're gonna make sure that we take that, get that taken care of. Water. So part of the warranty for the new motor basically is the water pump. You know, timing kit. Well, I don't know if it's a water pump, but definitely the timing belt. You want to seal it all the way up. We're gonna do valve covers, oil pan. You know, the whole shebang, new thermostat, all that good stuff. So, all the stuff that you should do, like, period. Because who want to go back and do this again? Not me, dog. Not me. So, yeah, I'm going to take a little break, get something to eat. And then cut you back on.
Camera recording.
I just want to say, make sure you follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel, LS7Rod254 on YouTube. Gotta advertise on my Ring camera. But all right, y'all. I think I'm gonna cut y'all back on engine arrival day. All right, we back out here, back at it. Let me see what I can show y'all. So I got I guess I got some more progress made. One thing, this fucking motor is filthy, bro. This thing leak like that. I'm finna get ready to drain the oil out of it. Or shit, drain what's left, cause hell, I feel like most of the damn oil is on the outside of the engine. Like, thing is filthy. Like, we did go ahead and get those torque converter slash, I guess it'd be torque converter bolts. Got them out. Got that janky exhaust off. The more and more I look at it, the worse it got. So like this whole piece right here is sold. So this is gonna have to be replaced unless I don't know, put the metal back up there and band it up, which I'm not. So that part gonna have to be replaced. As I look further back, it's more of the same, because this part right here, before I guess that second cat, like that's supposed to be like some kind of manifold flange. That's more nip tuck or whatnot. And I think even further back is more of the same. So I'm not saying I'm gonna have to get the whole exhaust, but yeah, it's looking kind of not promising for that. So that's unfortunate to see, but you know, it is what it is. So like I said, I got a couple more bolts, I believe, for the transmission. So you got this one. I think there's one more up in there that I'm not able to get, and I might have to try to come across with my long cheater bar of a, I don't even know if it'd be a cheater bar, but it's basically, yeah, basically an extension to come through the wheel well and then get that out like that. Hit the back mounts, I want to say. Yeah, so as you can see, I already got the socket up there to get it off, but I can't get it from right here. So, or I couldn't earlier. I don't know. Maybe I get lucky because I'm on camera. Probably not though, because when does that ever happen? Oh snap, son. So yeah, that's the other transmission bolt. Haha. Do it for the camera. Look at this. Alright. So while I got it fresh, while I have it freshly on my mind, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put these up. Because basically what I've been doing is bagging and tagging them for the most part. So I know which bolts go to which. So I believe these were all transmission bolts. Transmission, starter,